Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It comes with all the amenities you need: Ecotec 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rear view mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.